Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to PGK Government Jobs YouTube channel. Today I would like to explain about central government jobs recently released. This is a very good opportunity for you. I would like to explain in this video defense civilian jobs, artillery center Nasik, army, group C recruitment. Total 107 vacancies are released. Qualification 10th class and 12th pass. Both male and female all are eligible to these jobs. If you get job in this notification, you can get starting salary 25,000 and allowances. Friends, this is the very good opportunity. Let's come into more details this notification. Friends, this is the first of all I am explaining very important points in this notification. After that, I would like to explain about full original notification. This is the recruitment organization, School of Artillery, Nasik, Indian Army, Ministry of Defense. Advertisement, Artillery Center Nasik released. Group C vacancy 2021. Exam will be conducted in 2022. Post name Group C, various post. Vacancies total 107. Salary pay scale 18,500 to 56,900. Level 1 and level 2 posts. This is the basic salary with allowances HRA, house rent allowance, and DA and TA. Total allowances you can get salary, starting salary 25,000. Job location all India. Initially the post you can join only Nasik. After that you can move to your nearest city. Last date to apply. Remember friends, this is the very important point. January 21, 2022 is the last date. This last date is the offline application. Only ordinary post offline application should be reached Nasik Artillery Center, Nasik, Maharashtra by on or before January 21st. Friends, coming to more details, important dates. Application start date 25 December 2021. Application last date 21 January 2022. Exam date notify later. You can get admit card by post. Application fees no application fees. Total post 107 post. Age limit 18 to 25 years for open categories. If you have any relaxation SC, ST, OBC, for OBC 28 years and for SC, ST 30 years age limit. So friends, this is the very good opportunity. You can apply to this all jobs. This can you can application the all jobs. So very important applications. So friends, you can apply these jobs. Coming to exam details, how exam will be conducted. Artillery Center Nasik exam pattern. Negative mark is the 1 by 4th. Time duration 2 hours. Mode of exam objective type multiple choice exam. There are 4 subjects in this exam: reasoning, maths, English, and GK. Reasoning 25 questions, 25 marks. Maths 25 questions, 25 marks. English 50 questions, 50 marks. GK 50 questions, 50 marks. Total 150 questions, 150 marks. 2 hours exam time, 1 by 4th negative mark. Friends, this is the main important points about this notification. Now we are going into detailed notification released by Artillery Center. Friends, this is the original notification. If you want this notification, I will give this notification link in description box. If you want, you can download from this notification from description link. This is the total 6 pages notification. 6 pages notification. This is the original notification. If you watch this video up to end, you can clear all doubts. Please watch this video up to end. I am explaining everything in this video. Friends, this is the direct recruitment. All candidates, all India, every state, all are eligible for these jobs. These jobs are released by Headquarter Artillery Center, Nasik Road, Camp, Maharashtra. Friends, in this notification, there are different types of posts are available. Totally 17 types of jobs are available and total posts 107. Coming to main important jobs post, LDC lower divisional clerk 27, model maker 1, carpenter 2, cook 2, range lasker 8 post, fireman 1 post, artillery 7 post, barber 2 post, washerman 3 post, MTS gardener head gardener 2 post, MTS watchman 10 post, MTS messenger 9 post, MTS sapaiwala 5 post. Size, that means horse attender and car, heavy vehicle, light vehicle attender 1, MTS laskar 6, equipment repairer 1, MTS 20 post, total 107. This is the post divided into category. Unreserved categories 25 years age limit, SC category, ST category 30 years age limit, OBC category, EWS category 28 age limit. These are the physical handicapped post. These are the ex-serviceman post. If you want this full details, you can download this notification from description link. Next, very important point, age limit. For general and EWS categories 18 to 25 years age. For SC ST categories 30 years age. For OBC categories 28 years age limit. Minimum age 18 years for all categories and maximum age is different as per category. For and also what are the qualifications? Which qualifications are needed for which post? Lower divisional clerk, that means clerk, computer operator. You can type the letter. This is the duty. Lower divisional clerk. Qualification is the only 12th class, +2 is the qualification. After that, you can typing test. You have to typing test. But friends, remember one thing: for LDC post, 12th class is the essential qualification. There is no need of any computer certificate, any computer coaching, any computer course. Only 12th class is the essential. If you pass the written test, then you can attend skill test. That is only for qualifying nature, not essential. If you pass 12th class, you can apply to this job. Desirable is not necessary, only essential is necessary. Desirable is the optional. So if you have essential qualification, you can apply to LDC. I suggest all ladies and gents all are apply to this job. LDC job is very good. Next, model maker. 10th class is the qualification. Carpenter 10th class qualification and ITI certificate is needed. Cook 10th class qualification. Equipment repairer 10th class qualification. Sales 10th class qualification. Barber 10th class qualification. Washerman 10th class qualification. MTS head gardener, MTS watchman, MTS sapaiwala, MTS messenger, MTS laskar, range laskar, artillery laskar, MTS These all posts are only 10th class qualification. Desirable qualification is not necessary. Anyone can apply to this jobs, friends. And also fireman, this is the 10th class qualification and separate fire course is needed. Friends, from this all jobs I suggest you all, women's also, ladies also, apply for LDC main thing, and model maker, and MTS messenger, MTS. These all jobs are very good. You can apply to this all jobs. If you have any doubts regarding this jobs duty and qualification and application, if you have any doubt, please do message in the comment section, I will reply. And coming to main important point, interested candidates should send their application as per format. All candidates are applied only offline application. Offline application, no online application. Offline application should be sent to this address. I am explaining. These list are photocopies, xerox copies are attached with application. I am explaining how to application. This is the application. You have to print out this application. This one page you have to print out. After the printout, you can fill this all details carefully. Here, passport size photo, paste, and self attested. Self attested means your signature. And application for the post. Which post do you want applied? LDC or MTS or MTS messenger? Here, write application post in category. You are SC, ST, OBC. Which category do you want apply? Sometimes some belongs to SC category, but they wanted to apply UR category because UR category have more jobs. On that time, here apply, write only UR category. Which category do you want apply? Friends, these are the very easy to application. Here newspaper, please refer to your advertisement given newspaper. Here please write employment newspaper. Here date 25/12/2021. After that, name, father's name, sex, date of birth, present age limit and marital status, nationality, religion, qualification, experience if any. So address, mobile number. This is the application format. After this filling this application, attachments are very important, and photocopies of certificate, your mark sheets. Here the list of the, you can download this notification from description link. This attachment xeroxes are needed. After that, you have to send this application to this address to the commandant headquarters, artillery center, Nasik road camp, pin 422102. This is the address. You have to send the offline application to this address by ordinary post only, not speed post, not courier, not anything, only ordinary post you have to apply. Friends, this is the very good opportunity. Don't miss. Everyone should apply to this notification. Very good opportunity in Nasik, Maharashtra. Friends, if you have any doubt regarding this notification, do follow comment section. If you want, if more numbers have more doubts regarding this notification, I am conducting one live class Zoom meeting. If you want attend that Zoom meeting, you can comment in this section. I want Zoom meeting, sir. please conduct Zoom meeting. You can comment like that. If more number of aspirants wanted to explanation regarding this notification, I will conduct one Zoom meeting live class for this notification. Friends, uh, this is the very good opportunity, all can apply. Next video we can meet with new notification. Friends, if you like this video, please like this video, and if you are new visitor this YouTube channel, please subscribe this YouTube channel. If you want to share this notification to your friends and your relatives, your seniors, your juniors, please share this video to who have wanted to prepare government jobs. Okay friends, bye.